I am Yuho Ekemi from Japan. Today I'd like to share how to take care of your nails after you remove the gel because they get pretty sensitive and fragile sometimes, so I like to show you how to do that. Also, I like to share how to take care of your hands as well because these days we've been washing hands like crazy and my hands get pretty dry and wrinkled. Maybe it's just my aging problem too and cannot just blame Corona. But anyway, I like to show you how to do that. Hopefully it's gonna be helpful. Thank you for watching. I'm actually planning to sell the treatment kit, so if you are interested, please check the below. Please wash your hands and do the treatment and stay healthy and have a great one. Take care.